Markthal, MVRDV's covered market project in Rotterdam, combines two different architectural topologies with an arch-shaped building. MVRDV describes the project. Markthal Rotterdam, the new icon of Rotterdam, is the first covered grocery store in the Netherlands. The Markthal project consists of market stalls on the floor and a residential belt above them that protects them from the weather. Its form and colorful interior make the building an object of spectacle. It becomes one of the first by bringing together two different topologies, housing and market, as well as the building form. The competition, won in 2004 by the MVRDV and Provast project development team in the city of Rotterdam, involved the design of a covered annex to the existing open-air market. One of the reasons for the opening of the contest is that the new European Union regulations will not allow the sale of fresh and frozen food in the open, and another reason is that the municipality wants to increase the capacity of people living in the city center in order to meet the human needs for services in the city center. For the program list with housing, parking and grocery stores, the architect's solution was simple: an economically buildable market building between two residential signs. Contrary to the dark markets that Provast and MVRDV see in Southern Europe, which are self-contained and have little contact with the outside, the project was expected to serve as a driving force for the development of the Laurens-Scordier district and to strengthen the east side of the city center. There was a need for an accessible and open building with strong publicity. The project team decided to design a large hall with wide openings on both sides by inverting the two residential signs in the market area. In order to be suitable for construction, a curve suitable for the standard elevator system was preferred in the building. With the addition of some more space for trade to the lower floors, the arch form of the building, 120 meters long and 40 meters wide, emerged. The building had to be open enough to attract the crowd, but also closed enough to provide protection from the weather. In order to keep the closed area as permeable as possible, a facade consisting of cable mesh and using less building material was preferred. Glass-mounted steel cable nets were used in the facade system, which can be associated with the logic of tennis rackets. Natural stone was used on the outer surface of the Markthal and on the pavement to draw attention to the inner surface of the arch, not to the outside. Markthal is a building without a back surface, as all surfaces are accessible to users. All volumes to serve these shops are underground. The first basement floor was used as a distribution platform in order to transport the materials coming by vehicles to the above market area. It is planned to bring the materials to the market area with the elevators on this distribution platform. In this way, customers were tried not to be affected by the early morning distribution. Residential users were able to reach their homes from 6 separate entrances. The interior surface of the arch is covered with the huge artwork cornucopia. The work bears the signature of Rotterdam artists Arno Konen and Iris Roskam. Cornucopia, produced by Pixar Animation Studios' 5-layer digital printing method, consists of photographs of fresh fruits, vegetables and all kinds of products that create the illusion of 3 dimensions.